Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublay pi baro kinigilong ki khubor bamda kasni. Ka election siya kay yung darbar tawaan jagari India ka Lok Sabha rajan sa satang shisnem kumta ki sengsan perthai hajla Meghalaya kilapun kre yala ki jong ki kertang. Kaseng Voice People Party kadai kaseng san ka baningkong banpin bina kertong do Dr. Ricky Singkan. Uba Charles Pingrop President ka Meghalaya Trinamool Congress uyathu bamang ushimen usngobiang bha ya uba George B.Lyndoh banlong ukertong banyakhun ya ka election Lok Sabha arhajar arpsaw.
They will have to fight the parliamentary seat. So if they are looking at Bahima Shampiang to be the candidate, so I find there's nothing wrong in that. But where our party is concerned, I have yet to discuss with the High Command, General Secretary in charge, Dr. Manas Bhaiya. In fact, I spoke to him this morning, asking him for a meeting, and perhaps either he will come or I'll go to Calcutta and finalize the modalities of how we go about it.
But
Yes.
okay. So have you decided?
We get the go-ahead from the party that they have to agree on certain issues, then we'll start go. Because we already have candidates, so there's no issue.
So,
and that's my personal, but according depends on the entire party hierarchy. I feel George B.Lyndoh will be a very good candidate. And from the Garos, I'll leave it to the wisdom of the Honorable Parliamentary Party Leader, Dr. Lok Sabha, to take the final call.